Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, today I'm going to make butter cookies. For the butter cookies, obviously you need butter, but guess what? I don't have any butter, so I'm using margarine. And it's called butter cookies. It's going to be only butter and flour and egg. It's mostly the taste of the biscuit cookies is butter. So I'm not going to do any measurement or anything. I'm just going to try it out first and see how it goes. So we need butter. And I put my margarine, margarine. I put my margarine on the room temperature and trying to mix it like this. And then I'm going to put some sugar. Sugar you just put as much as you want, how much you want the cookies to be sweet. I like my cookies to be sweet enough, so I'm just going to put that much. I don't know how much I put, but anyway. Let's see how it goes. And then you mix that with the sugar. Correct, goes the egg. I'm going to use one egg. Actually, I bought 2 eggs, but I'm going to use 1 egg. Because I don't know if it's going to work or not. It's my first time trying this out. Okay, so you mix that. Mix. Okay, until it's smooth enough. Hopefully that is okay. And then I'm going to add the flour. I'm using plain flour. Let's see. As I said, I'm not going to do any measurement. Let's see how it turns out. It just has to be make it into a dough. So I can roll it. I added a bit more flour, so I'm going to use my hands because with this you can't do it like this. So I'm going to make it into dough. Look, I added more flour to get this texture like this. And it's just like the way you make the dough. You just knead it like this, like that. Make sure you wash your hands with soap. Wash. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wash your hands properly. And then like this. Okay. And that's done like this. So what I'm going to do is make it into half. Make it 2 rolls like this. 2 balls. One of them, put it separate somewhere. I'm going to use this greaseproof paper because I don't like doing it on the surface. I'm going to try to do it on here. Let's see if it works. Like this. Let's see. Okay, let's lift this one up. Dun. Yeah, it did work. Okay, let's get some cutters. I'm going to use the cutters to cut. You can use different shapes like this. that's that. It should be usually spaced, but because I've got small trays, can't get any space. But anyway, I'm going to put them in the oven, 180 degrees, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, and let's see what we can have here.